It's Wednesday morning. I'm back on the climbing centre job today doing some plastering. I haven't been here for a while and I've had the key code to get in from the key safe lock outside. So I've come back up, opened the doors, and there's been an alarm fitted when I've been gone, and I've triggered the alarm off, and it's 7:15 in the morning and it's loud and I've got no way of shutting this alarm off. I don't know if you can hear it on this camera. I'm sitting in a van now. And I've just messaged the bloke that I'm doing the work for, hoping that he'll be out of bed to tell me how to turn his alarm off, because it's really cracking out here. It's brand new and it's screaming. So yeah, I've had a bit of a week this week with not really thinking ahead. I should have messaged him yesterday and said, is the code still alright? But then again, he knows I'm an early bird. He should have messaged me. So I wanted to go in and show you it, what the progress is. I could go in with my earbuds in. That might be an option. And then just do a voiceover on it, I think, because it's loud. Right, he's just messaged me back, thank God, and the alarm's off. So let me turn you around and show you the progression in this climbing centre. Okay, so the climbing walls look good. Let's duck under this tape. So they're coming along nicely, look at them. Wow, it's quite impressive, really. I've obviously got to bolt all the little grippy things on, but wow. There's a good few of them scattered about. There'll be plenty of room for climbers, that's for sure. So if you like your climbing and you live in the sort of Cambridgeshire, Essex area, this will be open soon, and it's called Rainbow Rocket Climbing. Yeah, how on earth would you climb up that? I can just about climb up the stairs. Wow, oh that's clever. Look, they've sort of incorporated that one into a bit of a door on it, so you can get in and store stuff, I suppose. Now this is inside of it. Wow. That's a lot of metal work, isn't it, just for hold a climbing wall up. Here's all the little the backs of where they screw into. That's a lot of pre-planning on the design, isn't it, to get all that spot on? Wow. I'm impressed. Look at that, it's a proper underhang, that one. Look at the angle of that dangle. Oh, so they've got like a gym up there now, up on the mezzanine. Walltopia. So, I'm not sure what I'm plastering today. Got some, oh this, I presume. Couple of changing rooms there. So yeah, I've got to skim that and that, I would imagine. And then I think there's some bits upstairs. So obviously I'm all done down here. This is all my plastering, all painted up now. Looking good, looking good. And I think I've got some upstairs work to do. Let's go up. There's all the rock. Look at that. That's a fiddly old lot on it. Look. All laid out. Oh god, this stuff must cost a little small fortune. Tons of it. Like pebbles on the beach. Right. I think this doorway I've got to do some work round. I'm back up to the gym now. Right, so I would imagine around this doorway is one of them. I know that wall had to be done. There's that wall there to be done. So I'm going to start on this wall, I think, get this all PVA'd up and skimmed in. It's had some sort of leak over the years from the box cutter, so that's the first thing. I've got one of these at this end, one of them at the other end. So give it all a good scrape off and get on with this, I think. Okay, it's only 9:15 and I'm already sort of stopped waiting about, really. There's not a lot to do there. It's probably 2 days work at the most, really. But not a lot is ready for me. There's bits in the way, like pallets of stuff and things, so I've got to wait for that to be moved. So I'm just working on them 2 little areas upstairs in the offices where they've had the water leaks from each end of the downpipes. So not a hard day at all, really. Just mucking about. So I've just put a load of gear in the deeper bits. I didn't have no bonding on, so I just made a little concoction up of multi-finish, drywall adhesive and K-Rend, and just to give it a little bit of grip, really. So I've just put all that on, and now I've just got to let that go off a bit before I can do anything, really. And I think that might take a while to go off because it's thick, you know. Some of it's thick above the door frame. So you haven't got no bonding or hardwall in there, so it might sit there for ages before I can skim on it. But that's all right. I'm in no rush. It's a lovely day. I'm just going to doss about in here and wait a bit.
I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back.
Your doctor.
So, you're a soldier. Fighting for whom?
With the 132nd under Perry.
Who was the enemy again?
A computer defense system built for SAC-NORAD by Cyberdyne Systems.
I see. And this computer thinks it can win by killing the mother of its enemy. I'll be back.
Your doctor.
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 Their defense grid was smashed. We'd won. Taking out Connor then would make no difference. Skynet had to wipe out his entire existence.
Is that when you captured the lab complex and found that, what is it called? The time displacement equipment?
That's right. Him
I'll be back.
and me. That's right. Him
I'll be back.
and me. That's right. Him
I'll be back.
and me. That's right. Him and me.
I'll be back.
It's 1 o'clock now and I'm going home again. All these early days are getting too easy to do. I've done what I can in there today. I can't do anything downstairs because I found out that the 2 guys that do all the boarding and stud work, they've still got other bits to do yet. And the trouble is with this job is that the fellow I'm doing it for, he just runs the climbing centres. He runs another climbing centre somewhere, and so he's not really a building project manager, but he's sort of been shoved into this position where he's having to do all this sort of stuff. So he's rung me saying that we need some bits done. But of course I turn up today, and then the guys that are doing the work say, well, no, we've still got that to do and that to do yet. So obviously they need to be done before I start skimming. So I've done what I can upstairs in them 2 rooms, and that's it. I'm going to go home. Now, for those that have just watched the video, would have seen these little bubbles that I sort of got a close up on. And that's just a bit of paint that kept bubbling up because it's been sort of water damaged for so long. Even with the PVA on top, I did see some of them earlier and I got rid of them. But once the plaster's been on it, you can't sort of stop it, can you really? So I just sort of left them. I give them another 1 or 2 polishes, and then I just left it because I thought I'm not going to waste too much of my time trying to get them out. It's just going to be an office come storeroom up there. So I'm not too fussed. I'll have a look on Friday if they need a little blast over with a bit of sandpaper. I shall do that. So, yeah, don't call me a bodger, although I can be. I would never have done it in someone's house. I would have obviously probably took a lot more of that plaster off had that been in someone's house and it had been leaking for that long. But they just want a quick fix up there.
Connor sent me to intercept and they blew the whole place.
Well, how are you supposed to get back?
I can't. Nobody goes home. Nobody else comes through.
Still don't get it, do you? He'll find her. That's what he does. That's all he does. You can't stop him. He'll wait for you regardless.